Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video, I have the best griot video for you guys ever. Today I am going to show you guys a very detailed video, step by step, how to make your own griot at home. Yes, it's really good, you guys. Keep on watching. Be sure you are subscribed if you're new, and let's go. I am starting up with clean pork shoulder. I cleaned it already. I have a link down below. Check it out. Now I am using the Island Vibe seasoning all over my pork, and this seasoning will be available very soon, so keep on watching to see when exactly it's going to be released. Now I am going in with some APs, and also the measurement for everything that I use will be down below. Be sure you check the description box. Yes, you guys, I am using APs. I do have an APs video. Check the description box to see how to make your own APs at home. Now I'm adding some garlic powder, and also I just added some onion powder. Okay, next we're moving on to some cloves. You can definitely add those other whole cloves in there, but I don't like chewing and do all that stuff, so I added the powdered. I added ground black pepper and as well as some sazon seasoning in there. Now I am going to use one Maggi cube. This is optional, always optional. Do not think you have to use Maggi on everything. This is just for this video. I added it in there, and also I'm adding thyme, parsley, a whole scotch, bonnet pepper. Okay, now we're going to marinate this and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. Now you can definitely marinate your pork shoulder overnight. I recommend you do that. Your food will taste really good. I didn't really have time, so I let it sit there for about 2 to 3 hours, I believe. So I am going to make sure all the good seasoning get in the pork shoulder. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Just mix it around. Now time to add my sour orange juice. I am going to pour that all over. Yes, you guys. I just love griot, you guys. I don't eat it very often, but I really love griot, especially with pickles. Let me know down below if you love griot. Now this is about 2 to 3 hours later. I am going to add about 2 cups of water. I am not going to add too much water because I don't want to water down my seasoning. Now I am going to let this boil until my pork is nice and soft and tender. Okay, now this is it. As you guys can see, the water is basically reducing over time. Now you can taste it for salt at this point if you like. As you guys can see, the water is almost dry. It's not all the way dry, but it's almost like dry. I don't like adding too much water in my pork. Now I am going to remove the pork, put it in different containers, so when I'm frying it, so I don't, it doesn't pop and burn me. So that's why I transfer it to a different container before I start frying it. Now I am going to fry this. The temperature is 375. We're going to fry it until you have a nice golden color. I can't tell you for how long. I will probably say 7 to 10 minutes. Depends if you like it very crispy or if you like it slightly. So it's definitely your choice. I am going to add another batch. I had to do like 3 batch of this griot. It was a lot of griot, you guys. I do have a video of how to clean this pork, so I will leave it down below. If you saw that video already, you the real MVP. Okay, now once your griot is nice and done, definitely you gotta have some fried plantain to combine this griot. Okay, and I do have some pickles to eat this griot, you guys. I do have the recipe of a pickles video that I will link down below. I have another updated one coming up to you guys real soon, so stay tuned. I'm trying to, you know, update my main Haitian dishes and stuff, because I believe last time I did a griot video, that was when I started YouTube, so I wanted to bring you guys like an updated one. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So this is basically the griot video. If you're a big fan of griot, let me know down below, because I am also. I love fried pork. It's just so good. Look how good this look. Look how good this griot look. Tell me it's not. Tell me it doesn't look good. Yes, you guys, and like I said, I am a big fan of griot. I have to try it for you guys just to show you guys the inside of this meat. It is tons of flavor in this meat. I just love griot, and at the same time, I like to cut my meat small. That way I know for sure it's gonna taste good. All the seasoning, the goodness going to get inside this meat. Yes, hunty. You see how good this look? Doesn't this make your mouth watered? Like, I just want some right now. Be sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos like this one. You will be notified immediately to see my video. So be sure you turn on your bell. Be sure you thumbs up the video. Let's get it to 300 likes, okay? And comment down below. I'll see you guys very soon on my next one. Bye guys.